Welcome with two tools for our educational program for Kahoot! Kahoot is a game-based learning platform used as educational technology. Its learning games, also known as Kahoots, are user-generated multiple-choice quizzes that can be accessed via a web browser or the Kahoot app. Kahoot also includes trivia quizzes. Create, play, and share learning games with the Kahoot. Make your lessons, presentations, or gatherings more engaging with the Kahoot. You can see some content of this lesson using Kahoot in classroom or in remote learning, creating quizzes, tips and tricks, resources, self-assessment. Kahoot is a good option for group works. Each participant should have their own device because in order to join a game, you need a unique PIN number. Kahoot has a free access, but for professional use, you need to pay. There are several options for professional use. You may choose the best option that suits you. General information about the Kahoot program is as follows. You can see training workload, theoretical part 2 hours, practical part 6 hours, teaching methodologies, lecturing, discussion, drill and practice, group work, question and answer, project-based learning, collaborative learning, hybrid learning, demonstration. The learning objectives of the program. Participants will be able to name and recall the functions of Kahoot as a tool for conducting online assessments, to create and design quizzes with Kahoot, to understand educational use of Kahoot, to embed Kahoot quizzes into their game-based teaching environment, to analyze the results quizzes with using Kahoot. Kahoot offers a question and then optional multiple choice answers. This can be enhanced with rich media such as images and videos to add more interactivity. It is ideal for remote learning use. It's possible for teachers to set a quiz and wait to see the scores as students complete it. Teachers can also review results and run analytical from game reports. Registration is the first step of Kahoot program. First step, you must go to following link, and then you must choose your account type, teacher, student, personal or professional account you can choose. Then you must provide more context to your Kahoot usage. Provide your login credentials and you must select the plan. Kahoot can be used to present a new topic by assessing what students already know about the topic and what areas they should know. Help with vocabulary terms, terminology, and definitions. Poll students about their opinions. Review for an examination or test. Learn information in sequential order. In the classroom, teachers can prepare exams using the Kahoot program. They can prepare exams with the Creation Step feature. This feature allows teachers to log into the platform and create their own quizzes. To test the students in the classroom or online, you may use different question types that Kahoot offers. Multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, true or false questions, poll and puzzle. Student-based game. This feature is a super fun and accessible way to develop motivated students by making digital game-based learning something they can do on their own time. To access and utilize the student base, Kahoot open the website and choose Play. Then click on the Challenge tab. Set the time concentrates and lecture content you desire. Live Play. This feature is teacher-based and a useful learning game to add to your lesson plans to influence classroom dynamics and promote healthy competition and interaction between students. To access this feature, you and your students will need to download free app. Next, you will tap Play, then Live Game and share your screen through the control center. Log into your Kahoot account. Hit Create in the top navigation bar and choose New Kahoot. Start typing your first quiz question and add from 2 to 4 answer alternatives. Your changes will be saved automatically as you go. On the right-hand side, adjust the timer and choose how many points to award for a correct answer. Click Add Question to create more questions. Add an image or video to make the question more engaging. You can upload an image from your computer or choose one from our image library. Drag and drop questions to change their order if needed. Click Enter Kahoot title to add a title and tune other settings. For example, in the summary screen, you can define who can see your Kahoot. Ghost is a great feature that allows students to play against their own previous high scores, making a game out of improving performance. Analysis improves its students' understanding by using the analytics of results to see which student has struggled and with what, so you can help them in that area. Copy take advantage of the wealth of quizzes created by other educators and already available on Kahoot. Assess students first. A Kahoot quiz can be a great way to check students' knowledge before you start teaching. Use media. Videos can be added right from YouTube very easily. Drive the class. You can set a quiz at the start of class and adapt your teaching for that lesson based on how everyone does. Save time with pre-written. Use questions that are already in Kahoot. Play with Ghost. Use Ghost mode to allow students to progress their previous high score. Let students create. Have your students create their own quizzes. Now you are ready to create your own quiz. Create a Kahoot account first and prepare 20 question quiz about a subject. Add images and 20 seconds timer to each question. Generate a game pin number and share it with the students.